Next, resolution and commitment. After some realization and attaining some insight into their behaviors, the residents are now ready to move to the last phase to practice new behavior. From the feedback received, the resident involved will express how he feels about the whole thing and may own up his behavior and his cause of practice. So, in the resolution and commitment, dito na yung kung ano yung nafe-feel ng president sa pangyayari or sa with that sa scenario na kanya, between their conflict. Letter D, socialization. This is a structured social event where all those involved in encounter will have ample time to mend fences with those they have offended or hurt in the past. The purpose is to achieve closure, recover relationship, and maintain the unity of the community so that all those involved can move and leave the past behind. So, socialization, understandable naman siya, no? So, dito na yung, of course, nakipag-socialize na to regain or para maibalik na yung closure ninyong dalawa.
Ay. Yay!
Next, extended group. The extended group are usually composed members of 5 to 12 residents and is being facilitated by 2 highly trained staff members. It may last for 8 to 72 hours. So next, specialized groups. Loss and bereavement. So the duration 1 hour once a week. Participants 10 to 5 residents. 10 to 15 residents rather. So procedure facilitators eligible, of course. The facilitators eligible. Very supportive and compassionate. And discuss the process and briefing the impact of the losses, much feeling, attitude, and behavior derived from the loss of loved ones. And of course, the counselor gives some suggestions on how they will handle the situation appropriately if there was another similar situation. And 5, at last session, each participant was required to write a letter to someone or a body to tell about the past and what they will do in the future regarding losses. So next, let's visit the women's group. The duration was 1 hour once a week, and it should be 8 to 15 residents, and the counselor will be the participants. The procedure held once a week. The TC personnel, it provides budget opportunity for female residents to share and discuss their feelings on women's issues, family relationship, self-image, societal role, and reproductive issues. Residents are helped to explore and understand the relationship between women's issues and their influences. Next is the men's group. Duration frequency, or the frequency 1 hour once a week. The participants again 8 to 15 residents and the counselor. The procedure topic includes expression of feelings, reveal of true self, dealing with feeling, and how to avoid abusive relationship, family conflicts, sexuality, and sexual relationship. Number 2, group session enabled each of them to identify, express the feeling related to the trauma and lessons learned from those experiences. The counselor who raised the issue will be the one who conducted, of course. Next is the anger management. The duration is 11 PM hours for 6 weeks as needed per curriculum based. The participant is 10 to 15 residents. The procedure facilitated by a counselor, of course. Questionnaires are provided to residents to answer how they managed their anger before they came to treatment. Participants are selected based on the interview and attitude shown while in treatment. The group is an avenue of the residents to know their anger, feelings, and acquire new knowledge and information on how to deal with feeling or the feeling